Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Petrocert Engineering Academy. I am launching this video series on petroleum refinery processes and operations to deliver comprehensive industry knowledge, practical operational insights, enhanced career opportunities, clear explanations of complex concepts, and essential troubleshooting and efficiency skills. Fired heater furnace operating principles. A fired heater transfers heat from fuel combustion to crude oil through radiation and convection. Controlled fuel firing, airflow, heat distribution, tube metallurgy, and outlet temperature ensure efficient heating while preventing overheating, coking, and tube damage. Furnace burner operation and combustion control. Burners mix fuel and combustion air to produce stable flames and controlled heat release. Proper air-fuel ratio, flame pattern, draft, fuel pressure, excess oxygen, and burner management maintain efficient combustion, minimize emissions, and prevent unsafe conditions. Coking and fouling mechanisms. Coking occurs when crude oil components thermally degrade and form carbon deposits on furnace tubes. Fouling reduces heat transfer, increases tube metal temperature and pressure drop, decreases efficiency, and can eventually cause tube overheating, failure, or shutdown. Furnace draft and flue gas systems. Furnace draft controls the movement of combustion air and flue gases through the heater. Natural or forced draft systems regulate pressure, ensure proper combustion, remove combustion products, maintain flame stability, and minimize uncontrolled air infiltration. Decoking and maintenance procedures. Decoking removes accumulated carbon deposits from furnace tubes using steam, air, mechanical, or chemical methods. Maintenance includes burner inspection, refractory repair, tube thickness monitoring, cleaning convection sections, checking controls, and verifying safe operation before restart. Thank you very much for watching the video. You may consider to subscribe, like, sharing or pressing bell icon for this video if it is worth doing.